Ever wondered why the stock market goes up and down, even when the economy doesn't? Why do rich people keep getting richer through the stock market while others lose money? Is the stock market just gambling, or is there a real system behind it? How do companies like Apple or Tesla make you money, even when you never work for them? What actually happens to your money when you buy a stock? Have you ever bought a stock, watched it fall, and had no idea why? Does the stock market feel too complicated or rigged against beginners? Do you keep hearing people say invest in stocks, but don't really understand what that means? Why do you lose money while others claim to make thousands from the same market? What's really happening behind those green and red charts you see every day? Most people think the stock market is just luck, but it's not. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how it really works and why understanding it could change your financial future. One day, everything's green, your favorite stocks are soaring. The next day, it's red everywhere. Panic spreads. Yet nothing major changed in the real world. No big news. No disaster. So why does the market move like it has a mind of its own? What if I told you that the market doesn't always follow the economy at all, but rather, it follows people, their emotions, expectations, and fear of missing out? Today, we'll uncover the truth behind those wild market swings, and once you understand this, you'll never see the stock market the same way again. Why do rich people keep getting richer through the stock market, while others keep losing money? We all play in the same market. We buy the same stocks. We see the same charts. So why do the results look so different? Maybe it's not about luck. Maybe it's about how the game is played. The rich don't chase hype. They create it. They don't react to the market. The market reacts to them. While most people panic and sell low, the wealthy quietly buy the fear and sell the greed. In this video, you'll see how the system really works and how the rich use psychology, patience, and power to win over and over again. Some say the stock market is just gambling, a casino in disguise. You win some, you lose some. Luck decides everything, right? But what if that's not true? What if beneath the chaos and behind the charts, prices, and panic, there's a real system, one that rewards those who understand it and punishes those who don't? The market isn't random. It follows patterns, human patterns, greed, fear, and timing. And once you learn how that system really works, you'll realize it's not gambling at all. It's strategy. Let's uncover how the market actually plays its game and how you can stop being the player and start being the house. How do companies like Apple or Tesla make you money, even when you never work for them? You don't design their products. You don't build their cars. You don't sit in their offices. Yet somehow, their success puts money in your pocket. It sounds strange, right? Making money from a company you have no connection to, except a few digital numbers on a screen. But here's the secret. When you buy a stock, you're not just buying a number. You're buying a piece of the business itself. Every time Apple sells an iPhone or Tesla rolls out a new car, part of that profit belongs to you. You're not working for them. Your money is, quietly, constantly, growing behind the scenes. That's the real power of the stock market, turning ownership into income and time into wealth. You open your trading app, you see a stock you like, and you hit that button, buy. But what really happens next? Where does your money actually go? Does it fly straight to the company? Does Elon Musk suddenly get richer because you bought one Tesla share? Not exactly. Your money first goes into the market, a digital arena filled with millions of buyers and sellers. You're not buying from the company. You're buying from another person, just like you. And the company? It only gets your money when it first sells those shares to the public, during what's called an IPO. After that, it's a game of trust, value, and belief. You're not just trading money. You're trading confidence in the company's future. So the next time you buy a stock, remember, you're not just pressing a button. You're joining a system built on human psychology and the invisible flow of money. Have you ever bought a stock, watched it fall, and had no idea why? You did your research. Everyone said it was a great buy. The charts looked perfect. Then it drops. You refresh your app again and again, hoping it'll bounce back. But it keeps sinking. No bad news. No scandal. Just red numbers, big investors, algorithms, market makers. They're all playing a game most beginners don't even realize exists. In this video, we'll uncover what really drives prices and why understanding this one secret can change how you see every single stock. Does the stock market ever feel too complicated? Like no matter how much you learn, someone else always seems one step ahead? You follow the news, you watch the charts, you listen to the experts, but somehow your money moves the wrong way. Meanwhile, big investors make millions, buying and selling at exactly the right time. It almost feels rigged, doesn't it? The truth is, the market isn't built for beginners. It's built by institutions. For institutions. They have faster data, better tools, and inside access to information you'll never see on your screen. But here's the twist. You don't need to beat them. You just need to understand how they play. In this video, I'll show you how to stop trading like a beginner and start thinking like the people who actually move the market. Do you keep hearing people say,
Invest in stocks.
but don't really understand what that even means? Everyone says it. Your friends, finance YouTubers, maybe even your boss. It sounds so simple, right? Just invest in stocks and your money will grow. But what does that actually mean? Where does your money go?
What are you even buying?
You're told to buy shares, but nobody really explains shares of what. A stock isn't just a number on a screen. It's ownership, a tiny piece of a real business. And when that business grows, so does the value of your piece. That's the secret most people miss. You're not betting on luck. You're investing in progress. Why do you lose money, while others claim to make thousands from the exact same market? You're buying the same stocks. You're following the same trends. You're even watching the same tutorials. Yet somehow they win. And you don't. It's not luck. It's not magic. It's psychology. While most people chase quick profits, the successful ones play a different game. They wait. They understand something most beginners ignore. The market doesn't reward speed. It rewards patience and discipline. The difference between losing and winning isn't in the stock you buy. It's in how you think about it. And once you understand that, you'll stop trading with emotion and start investing with purpose. Every day you see them. Green and red lines flashing across your screen. They move so fast you barely have time to think. One moment you're in profit and the next it's gone. But have you ever stopped to ask, what's really happening behind those charts? Those lines aren't random. They represent millions of decisions, emotions, and transactions happening every single second. Behind every red candle is fear. Behind every green one, hope. It's not just numbers moving. It's people, algorithms, institutions, a silent war of data and psychology. And if you can learn to read those patterns, to understand what's really driving them, you stop seeing the market as chaos and start seeing it as opportunity. The stock market isn't just about money. It's about understanding how the world moves. The more you learn, the less you fear. If you're ready to see finance differently, subscribe now and let's grow smarter together.